So here we will see how we can copy document from one document library to another document library. So we can copy in within site collection. We can do that in different site collection also. Now what we will see here is I have a document library. You can see here sales document library, and I'll create a flow. And once I click on this flow, then it should copy that document to archive, and we will see also how it can move the document to this archive document library. So for this, I will go to this SharePoint site. So you can see here I have a sales. This is the document library, and then we can create a flow on this. So for this, what I'll do is you can see here there is a flow button is there. Click on this and click on this create a flow. So once you click on create a flow, you can see here just click on show more, and you will be able to see a complete a custom action for the selected file. Click on that. This will open the create flow. This is where we can create a flow. And for this, what I will do is click on continue. We require permission, so make sure if you have not logged in, it will ask for login. And now if you'll see here, by default it will put the selected file address, library name, things like that, and also we will retrieve the properties on that. So on this, if we will see, we will use the copy action here. So how we can use the copy file action on this. Now for this, just click on new step, and here we can search for copy. You can see here, if I'll search for copy, I'll be able to see copy file. So click on that copy file, make sure it should be copy file SharePoint, because we want to copy to SharePoint library. Now if you'll see here, we need to provide the current address. So you can see here, so current site, this is my current site, SharePoint Sky. Then you can see here full file to copy, it will be identifier. So from here we can take this identifier properties from this dynamic content. Now what will be the destination site? So we have the archive folder in the same site. So I select this destination site, and now we need to have the destination folder. So it is pretty simple actually. So click on this destination folder, and we will uh, sorry, you can see here this folder icon. Click on that, and then we will be able to see this archive folder. Select this, and now the last one, it is saying that if another file is already there, then just select it. Here you can see various options are there: copy with a new name, fail this action, or replace. So let's say we will replace it here. Now we can see here I said replace. Now click on save. So let's give a new name for this. Basically we will say copy file to archive, something like this, and then click on save. So now if you'll see here, the flow got saved. So just come back. Now let us go to our library. So this is our sales library. If you'll see, from here we will upload a document. Let's first upload a document. So I'll click on files, and then suppose this timeout Excel file is there. So you can see here, I will also upload one more file into that. Let's say this is the file. So you can see here two files we have uploaded here. Now let me just refresh it so that it will available. So now if you'll see here, this file is there. Now select this file, and from this command bar, if you'll see under this flow tab, let it load. So under this flow tab, you can see here, select this file, and then there will be flow tab. So let us just see it. Flow, you can see here flow, and this is what is our flow, copy file to archive. So just click on that, and then you will see here it will you can see here this is what is running. You can just say continue. So and then run the flow. So once you run the flow, And now if we'll go to our archive folder, just to refresh it, we should be able to see that. You can see here maintain time.xl is there. Now we can also check the history. So if I will just refresh it. So there we will be able to see the run. So if you'll see here, you can see one is already succeeded. You can click on that and you will be able to see the status also. You can see this way, you can see here, you will be able to see the status also. Now this is about the copy flow. So there is similarly, there is a move flow is there, a move action. So what we'll do is we will not select anything, go to flow and we will say create a flow. So once you say create a flow, we will do the same thing, whatever we did here. Now come down and you can see here, complete a custom action for the selected file. Copy this and then you can see here, this is our complete action things. So click on continue so that we can create the flow. And then if you'll see, now you can see here selected a file. So it is going down here. Everything is fine. Just click on next new step. And here search for move and you will be able to see here move file SharePoint. Click on that. We will be having same kind of similar properties will be there. So we'll select this one and this is our current SharePoint site address and the file to move. So we will select identifier here and then what will be the destination site. Destination site will be again the same SharePoint sky site and the destination folder, click on this folder and we will be able to see our archive document library. And here also same thing, if another file is already there, so we can replace it, we can move with a new name or we can fail this action. Let's say we will replace it. Now click on save. So this one, let's rename it to move file to archive. So click on save. So you can see here our flow got saved. Now we will go to this particular library, our source library. We already have one document. So you can see here, this is the document. Click on that document, select this document basically. Click here and you can see here flow and we have now a move file to archive workflow we can start. Click on that. So once you click on that, we'll have to give the permission and you can see here, just continue and then run the flow. So if you'll see here, the flow is flow run. So we will just refresh it. Ideally it should move the document. So we should not be able to see this document from here in our source site. You can see here the file gone from here. Let's see in the destination. You can see here the file presented here in this library. So this is how we can use our copy to copy file and move file action, and we also see how we can how it will come in this particular list or library from where we can start the flow. So this way we can create a flow from a SharePoint list, and from the SharePoint list itself we can start the flow so that it will move or copy the document from one folder to another folder, one site to another site collection also we will be able to do that.